Well, it's that time of year again, September 18th, which is National Ceiling Fan Day. So, like always, we do a yearly installment here of the ceiling fans currently installed in my house. This is the living room here. We got two Hunter Hepburn fans in here. 52-inch black finish with mid-century walnut blades. They're currently both running on low. Here's the remote wall controls for them that come with the fan. Here in the dining room we got a Westinghouse Sidewinder that I restored. It's running on low speed here. I have it set up with capacitors and such. Here in the kitchen, we've got a Hampton Bay Kemper 2 ceiling fan in a liquid nickel finish with black blades. It's running on low speed off of its original remote control system. Here in the rec room, got two gloss black Hunter Infinities, both of which are running on low. That fan there is from 1999. This one here is a bit older, from 1993. You can tell by the canopies on the fan are different. That has the installer's choice canopy with the goofy hook mounting system. This one here has the older mounting plate that uses 3 screws. Blades are rosewood, reversible to black for both of them. Here in the kitchen, you can probably see I've done a little bit of changing in terms of lighting in here. Installed all these LED recessed lights. And have that's where the original fan hung, right there where that blank cover is, and there was a light over here where I got to repaint and patch. And that served above the sink. Here in the hallway we got two Hampton Bay Metairie 2 fans, also in black. Blades I think are driftwood finish, reversible to black on top. These fans surprisingly are running on their low speed, although they're quite fast on low, due to the fact that they're only 24-inch fans. The office here, we got a Casablanca Zephyr from around 1978 or 79. Here's a variable speed buzz on it. It's set to its lowest setting. It's got small 17-inch light oak blades. Here in the bedroom, we have a Emerson Premium from 2001. It's in brushed nickel finish. Blades on the fan are 17-inch oak blades. That's what it was on the fan when I got it. Use the fan on with the uplight. Since it's pretty easy light, not really hard on the eyes, especially in the morning when I get up real early to go to work and such. Don't really use the downlight too much, but I have it on there. Have the fan on a 3-speed wall control, left over from the original, the older fan that was there. Just didn't bother switching it out, just had the pull chain set to high. This room here, we got a black Emerson Premium from 2006. Blades on the fan are a mahogany finish. and it's running, of course, on low. All 4 lights work. We just have the 2 on those right now. And that's about all I got. So, happy National Ceiling Fan Day for those who celebrate it. And I thank you for watching. And we'll be seeing you next time.